Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are back at our favorite camping spot, also bass fishing spot, also off-roading spot. We are fishing the same stuff as we did last time, using my ultralight gear. This is a regular ultralight rod. Hopefully my same Panther Martin, size 4 hook. Well, not size 4 hook, size 4 Panther Martin. That's what I was trying to say. Only fish in here that I know are catfish, bluegill, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, and crappies or something. But we'll see if there's anything new. It's nice. Look how nice the water is. You know what I'm saying? Nice and glassy. This area is pretty peaceful. Besides the random motorcycle or ATV every once in a while. It's pretty sick though. Especially in the morning like this when everyone's sleeping. Come out here to fish. It's really, really relaxing, bro. Yeah, they're all the way out there. Looks like bank fishing might not be good. Oh! What the? Oh! Yeah, he did. I'm stupid chilling right now. Is it? Oh, it's a fish? Yo! Yo! Oh! Yeah! Oh, watch out now. Yep. Yep. Second catch, bruh. Oh, shit. Get this out of the net. Second catch, my boy. Look at that shit. Yeah. Let me free him. Free the homie. Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh, go over there. Go over there. Go over there, bro. Go over there. Wait. Is it gonna take us how long to get there? All right, so they're boiling over there, bro. I gotta go, man. I gotta go, bro. They're boiling over there. I'm fucking smashing right now, boy. Call me Speedy Gonzalez, my boy. Call me Speedy Gonzalez, boy. Let me get that, bro. Oh, I'm on!
Oh, it came up.
I'm on! I'm on!
He's out.
We on! Oh, shit! Sheesh!
We found it. Yo.
Hey, that's a fish. Go ahead. Go with your homies, bro. Oh, they're all over there, bro.
Oh, it came up.
Dude, they're all over there.
Come on, brother.
I gotta catch one, brother.
Good thinking, brother.
I hope I have enough battery life. We're chasing the mob. Oh, they're right here. Oh! Got one, buddy. Yep. Oh! Okay. What the? Bruh, chill, bruh. He's on my Oh, there you go. Yep. Oh, dude. I'm trying to get him out. Oh, he's on my Oh, he's off. Oh, no, don't get me. Ah! Yo, you see that? Dude, bro. He got launched. Oh, no. Oh, yep. Oh, that's a yep right there, bro. It's a yep right there. Oh. Hold on. Ow. Get you out real quick. You hear me? Get you smooth out. There you is, bruh. Oh, there you are, bruh. Go ahead now. Oh! He's off. Got one. Got one. Got one. Oh, they're jumping right next to me, bruh. Here it is. I saw him come up. No! Oh my god, why is that? Oh, last minute bite! Oh, that was crazy. Gotta set the hook, bro. Oh, it fell off, dude. Got it, dude. Got it, dude. Let me get you on your way, bro. Go on your way, bro. You good, bro. Oh! There's so many. Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh, it fell off. Gotta go get it. Oh! 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 Oh, it's coming. Oh! Oh, it's coming. Oh, he's barely on. He's barely on. He's barely on. Oh! Don't get me tangled. Oh, don't get me tangled. Ah, don't get me tangled. Ah! Oh! Okay, that's cool. Bomb ass shit. Bomb ass shit. Oh, it's right here. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, he's under the boat, bruh. Wait, what the? Wait, why is this? Oh, no, that's alright. He alright, bruh. He alright. Got him by the gill, bruh. Oh. Oh, he's actually pretty big.
Oh shit.
Yep. Own. Oh, came right off, man. Yep. Oh, it's a fighter, dude. It's a fighter, dude. What the? It's under? Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, it's a fatty boy. Nah. Ow. Damn, he got some. Ow. Oh. He's on the boat. Yo, Adrian, record this. Record this. You see it? Ready?
Wait.
Ready? I was gonna launch him. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Battery's running out. I'm only at like 10% left on my camera, so I can't even record more if I wanted to. But it's time for dinner. We gotta roll back and we gotta chill and enjoy the rest of our night here at this beautiful lake, man. Look at my support vehicle. Still supporting. But yeah, like I said, hope you enjoyed today's video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace, guys.